So about a month ago, these two trees looked very much alike. And now, as you can see, lightning has hit this tree and it basically just annihilated it and crashed it around the bottom of the tree. Just exploded the tree. And the whole tree just piled itself up at the bottom. You can see that it's got just the whole tree is just right here at the bottom of where the lightning hit and just exploded this tree. So, used to look like, now it looks like. And it just basically just blew it apart. It's pretty amazing. The whole neighborhood heard this. We got calls saying, your house is okay. And it just took down this tree. Look, there's still a piece of the tree is still hanging in the branch up there that some decent firewood here. It's already cut up for us.
Well, it's already been split. Let's put it that way.
That's right. Yeah, it needs to be. It's been split. It needs to be cut. Yeah, just kind of all the pieces of wood just kind of got littered all over the place. Just little. I mean, it just exploded this piece of this tree. This tree is now about 25 feet high, and it used to be about 60 feet high.
You know what's amazing? Is there's no weight to this at all.
Guess that makes it easier to explode, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it almost feels like balsa wood, you know, because it's so light. Yeah, that's crazy.